Lincoln kaimuch president nebo emetab Kenya kondochi igorta notok nekakimuch kinde rasmi siret nebo Nairobi notok nebo NSA noton ko Nairobi Security Exchange ako kampunit notok netinyegei ak kayaptaet nebo mwanik en emoni noton nebo KPC anan Kenya Pipeline Corporation akot ko noton ko igorta nekakimuch kisuldaen en kanaset nebo Nairobi ole en nguni kampunit nebo KPC kakimuch kinde en siret asikobit ketach mung'arainik chechobotin shares in company noton po serikali kongalali en igoratan ko kimit president William Samoei Ruto kole kakwautiet noton kobo kamanut mising en emetab Kenya mising ko en tetutik chebo kanaptaetab bandab tai en mwa kole chepkondok chekibendi kenyoru en aldaet nebo kampunit noton nebo KPC kebendi keboisien en kanaptaet nebo tetutikab bandab tai mising ko tetutik chotok chebo teksosiek en emoni kabit igoratan en kasarta nekoimuch president William Samoei Ruto en betutab amut konde siet ko ngatutiet legut noton nebo tekset anan noton ko infrastructure fund ako niton komwae president kole wendi konoptoi legut noton kosubkei ak nekibendi keibe rabinik chekinyoru en aldaetab kampunit noton po KPC asikobit kekanaptaen legut noton.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Kenya Pipeline Company IPO is the first privatization listing in nearly 2 decades at this bourse. The previous one being Safaricom, which was listed in June 2008. But there is a deeper significance to today's listing. If you ask many Kenyans today, few can point to a specific national asset or project that has been built using proceeds from the sale of government stocks in companies such as KCB in 1988, Kenya Airways in 1996, KenGen in 2006, or Safaricom in 2008. While those transactions helped deepen our capital markets and broaden ownership of the national enterprises, the connection between the resources raised and feasible national investments was never clearly established. We are correcting that anomaly. Unlike previous privatization proceeds that were absorbed into the general government budget, the proceeds of this IPO as well as future privatization, will provide capital to the National Infrastructure Fund, which I signed into law yesterday on Monday, February 9th, 2026.
Ago in komasta ni kaimuch komange agine minister in ministry notok nebo legut and treasury John Badi ago last kot missing lumdaet notok nebo kayaptaet anan kinde siret company notok nebo KPC in magole netan koret agenge nebo kigegele katestai emetab Kenya ko kanaptage inde tutik chotok cho bandab tai kobun teksosiek ko igimit Badi kole en nguni kebendi ketoche chepkondok chotok chekibendi kialdoen anan kialdo company notok nebo KPC asikobit keger kele kakimuch kekanapta legut notok nebo noton nebo teksosiek en emoni akot ko noton komwae kole niton ko oret agenge nebo keityi koyomiset nekaimuch serikalitab emoni kokochi biikab emetab Kenya en kasarta nekibe kandoinatet ak mising en kasarta nekikimuch ketoi kabarait serikalit nekakimuch kebarait anan broad-based government.
The finalization of the KPC IPO is a significant milestone that transcends a single transaction or just being a key statistic at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. It is a clear demonstration of the government's commitment in setting our country's sustainable economic foundation and ensuring that we have a nation that stands on stability, fairness, and offering equal opportunities to its people. Your Excellency, our economic policies are not about just managing the present, but focused on building the future, and our delivery guardrails built around fiscal discipline, sound planning, and broad participation. I must admit that since you appointed me to this position of the Cabinet Secretary to the National Treasury, the KPC IPO has been one challenging assignment that kept me on my toes since my team and I had to get it right the first time. We did not want to disappoint you, Your Excellency, and disappoint the people of Kenya. And I'm happy today we are witnessing that success.